Good morning, guys. Left this one running overnight. Used my Sunlu filament connector to join up some ends of reels. So this one's 3 different colours. Just another one of my cases for the GoPro. Up to 90%. Been running for 7 hours 44 minutes. Just checking, up to 99%, so we should be finishing any second now. I know the second I stop filming it will be it. There is still a few layers to go there. I'm glad I added the yellow, because I looked at the orange and I was trying to work it out in my head whether there was enough to do the job, and clearly there wasn't. If this is the first time you've watched one of my prints, which is possible, these wavy bits are what's called tree supports. They're to support the bits where the printer can't print on top of fresh air. It needs something underneath it to print. And the tree supports are designed to use the minimum amount of waste. So the shape is designed to minimise the amount of filament used to create them. They're hollow, and as you can see they get narrower towards the top, but they spread out like a tree. I think that's a good example of one. Well, I must say, I thought 99% was there. There can't be much left. It's being filmed on my security camera anyway, so I'll probably play that up in the corner here somewhere. There we go, finally. So yeah, the tree support is all around the edges here because the printer can't put filament down on fresh air. There needs to be something underneath it, otherwise it'll bow. Right, well, we'll let that one cool down before we try moving it. That's for my GoPro, and that's to go onto one of my tripods that has a funny mount on the top of it, not a standard screw one. Well, I say not a standard screw on it. It has a converter on it, but I might as well print the whole thing in one piece. I'll show you when it's finished, or when it's cooled down and I've cleaned it up. Right, here we are. This is the same frame, or whatever you want to call it. And it goes in this little tripod. Oh, I can't do that with one hand. Yes, I can. So that just fits in there. Again, you need two hands to do it, and I can't do that with one hand. Can I do that with one hand? No, I can't. Alright, there we are. You may ask, why do I want two of them? Well, I've got two of these tripods. One stays in the car all the time, and the other one indoors. And again, for those of you not familiar with 3D printing, that's the 3D support that was inside of there. And it just, well, you just snap it out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.